Unraveling the Chill. Understanding it's below freezing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that often pops up during the colder months. It's below freezing. Stick around as we break down what this phrase means, its significance, and how you can use it in your conversations. Let's warm up to this chilly topic together. When we say, it's below freezing, we're talking about the temperature. Specifically, it means that the temperature has dropped below 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the point at which water freezes. This phrase is commonly used in weather forecasts or everyday conversations to indicate that it's very cold outside. So much so that water turns into ice. Understanding and using the phrase, it's below freezing, can be crucial for several reasons. Safety. Knowing when temperatures are below freezing can help you prepare for icy conditions that might affect roads and sidewalks, making them slippery. Daily activities. It can influence your decision on what to wear or whether to engage in outdoor activities. Language proficiency. Being familiar with such phrases enhances your conversational skills and helps you understand local weather reports in English-speaking countries. To help you incorporate this phrase into your English vocabulary, let's look at a few examples. Make sure to wear your winter coat today. It's below freezing outside. I decided to cancel my morning jog since it's below freezing and the paths might be icy. Can you believe it's below freezing in April? This weather is unpredictable. These sentences show how the phrase can be used to describe the weather condition in a straightforward manner or to explain personal decisions influenced by the cold. And that wraps up our chilly journey through understanding the phrase, it's below freezing. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this phrase effectively in your English conversations, especially during the colder seasons. Stay warm, and remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about connecting with the world around you in meaningful ways. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.